take a look at this home in Hazel Green, Alabama. Just about 15 minutes to Huntsville, Alabama. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage space. No carpet in this home at all. It's on about almost a ½ acre of property out in the county. So lots of privacy and space, and it has a chain link fence in the backyard. This home is ready for its new buyer. Reach out today and let's show you this home. 339 Shady Lane in Hazel Green, Alabama, and it's only $220,000. The seller says to get this one sold. So call Karen Harrison sales team with Remax Alliance. We'd love to help you with this one.